Sarah loved her job at the Cozy Corner coffee shop. Every day, she greeted her regulars with a warm smile and the perfect cup of coffee. But in her heart, Sarah dreamt of a different life. She dreamt of owning a bakery, a place filled with the aroma of fresh bread and the sweetness of her creations. Each night, she would write down her dream in a small notebook, visualizing her bakery bustling with happy customers. Every swirl of batter and perfectly pulled espresso shot fueled her aspirations. Sarah believed in the power of positive thinking. She knew that the universe had a plan for her, and she trusted that her dreams would come true. So she continued to serve coffee with a smile, all the while holding on to her dream. One rainy Tuesday morning, a distinguished gentleman walked into the coffee shop. He had an aura of quiet confidence and a kind smile. Sarah, ever the attentive barista, noticed his tired eyes and slightly crumpled suit. "Rough morning?" she asked with a gentle smile as she took his order. The man chuckled softly. "You could say that." Board meeting ran late. He introduced himself as Mr. Thompson, taking a seat at his usual corner table. Sarah had served him before. He was a regular, always polite, always lost in his laptop and the world of business. But today something felt different. Maybe it was the way he lingered over his coffee or the thoughtful look on his face. Whatever it was, Sarah felt a connection, a sense that their paths were meant to cross that day. As the week went on, Mr. Thompson became a daily fixture at the coffee shop. He seemed drawn to Sarah's positive energy and genuine kindness. He learned her name, engaging her in small talk during his coffee breaks. One afternoon, while Sarah was wiping down tables, Mr. Thompson stopped her. "You know, Sarah," he began, "you have a real passion for what you do. It's inspiring." Sarah blushed, surprised by his words. They chatted for a while longer, and Sarah shared her dream of opening a bakery. Mr. Thompson listened intently, his eyes twinkling with understanding. "Never let go of that dream, Sarah," he said, his voice full of warmth. "Anything is possible if you set your mind to it." His words sparked a renewed sense of hope within her. The universe provides. A few weeks later, Sarah received a call that changed everything. It was Mr. Thompson. He had been impressed by her dedication and spirit. He had an opportunity, he explained, a vacant bakery space he had acquired through a business deal. He wanted to offer her the chance to make her dream a reality. Sarah was speechless. Tears welled up in her eyes as she realized the universe had heard her whispers, her late-night scribbles in her notebook. This was her chance, the opportunity she had been dreaming of. Mr. Thompson, it turned out, was not just a regular customer. He was a renowned entrepreneur known for his philanthropic spirit. He saw potential in Sarah, a spark that mirrored his own ambition from years ago. He offered her a mentorship, a guiding hand to help her navigate the world of business ownership. Dreams do come true. With Mr. Thompson's guidance and her unwavering determination, Sarah's bakery flourished. The aroma of freshly baked bread and pastries filled the air, drawing in customers from all corners of the city. Sarah poured her heart and soul into every creation, her passion evident in every bite. Her story became a beacon of hope, a testament to the power of believing in oneself and never giving up on one's dreams. The coffee shop miracle, as it came to be known, was a reminder that the universe conspired to make dreams come true for those who dared to believe. And Sarah, the once aspiring barista, became a testament to the extraordinary things that can happen when we chase our dreams with unwavering faith and a grateful heart.